Hello everybody, what's going on? Few important updates are coming from news and the news broke from Go Electric Day event. NIO is officially launching its core brand and its sub-brand Firefly in Luxembourg in February 2026. Now on the surface, this is just another market entry, but dig deeper and you will realize that this is a calculated financial pivot that addresses a core problem for NIO's ambitious global goals. This isn't just about selling cars, it's about a smart business model. So the question here is that why Luxembourg? It might be small, but it's an EV powerhouse. The nation is a blueprint for successful EV adoption. We are talking about a market where battery electric vehicle already count for over 20% of new car registrations, nearly matching traditional combustion engine. They have one public charging point for every kilometer of the road. For NIO, launching here is a high visibility validation point for the entire Western European market. But the real financial headline is the launch of Firefly. Up until now, NIO has been a premium player, with models like the ET5 and EL6 priced well above €60,000. Firefly has changed the game. Its first model is expected to start around €29,990. This price tag is key to massive volume. It positions NIO to compete directly in affordable urban EV segment, opening a potential customer base that was completely unreachable by their existing models. It's a dual-pronged strategy: premium NIO for margins and affordable Firefly for the volume and market share. Now let's look at the financial engineering behind this expansion. In the past, NIO favored a direct sales model in Europe, building its own NIO houses and service centers. While that creates a great brand experience, it is incredibly capital intensive and slow down to scale across a continent with diverse regulation and logistics. But in Luxembourg and neighboring Belgium, NIO has announced a major strategic shift: a partnership with the European dealership giant Heading Automotive. This is huge. They are moving to a hybrid distribution model that leverages the existing infrastructure and market expertise of a local dealer group. This move achieves three critical financial objectives. First, it lowers the operating cost. Handling over the sales logistics and local overhead to a partner drastically reduces NIO's upfront capital expenditure and long-term operating cost in these new markets. Second, faster scalability. Head-in can roll out sales and service points for quicker than NIO could build them from scratch. Speed to market is everything in the EV race. Third, local expertise. Head-in knows the local customs, regulations, and customer preference. This reduces the risk of expensive misstep. This shift proves that NIO management team is pragmatic and financially disciplined, learning from earlier European experiments to create a more cost-effective, durable expansion strategy. It's a strong sign of management maturity. Luxembourg is just the tip of the iceberg. This launch is the first confirmation of their aggressive multi-front global war. Between 2025 to 2026, NIO has confirmed plans to launch in 7 additional European markets, including Austria, Poland, and Romania, plus new venture into Asia and the Americas, specifically Singapore, Uzbekistan, and Costa Rica. What we are witnessing is the coordinated high volume deployment of this new hybrid sales model, driven by the volume potential of the Firefly brand. They are not just entering the European market, they are stimulating, attacking emerging market with high growth potential. This strategic high volume lower cost Firefly on an efficient partner driven hybrid sales model is the global growth multiplier the company has needed to justify its valuation and accelerate its path to sustain profitability. So the key takeaway here for the investors is that the market has been waiting for NIO to prove that its visionary technology and premium brand can translate into profitable, scalable global business. The plan to launch Firefly in Luxembourg in February 2026, coupled with the strategic pivot to the hybrid distribution model, provides the strongest evidence that they have found the formula. This is the transition for a capital-hungry growth phase to a capital-efficient scaling phase. With Firefly providing volume and the dealer model cutting overhead, NIO is positioning itself for a powerful two-pronged attack on the global EV market. The company is no longer solely relying on the high-end customers. They are becoming a genuine competitor across the EV spectrum. This disciplined strategic expansion dramatically de-risked their international growth and brightened the path to long-term profitability. For new investors, this isn't just a good news. It's the clear signal of a company ready to execute on its global ambitions. And I believe the future looks very bright from here. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.